What's up, everybody? Doing a little bit of POV driving for you today, testing out some new audio settings and a new action camera. Gonna be doing some very light driving. So today we're actually headed to do a photo shoot for Lamborghini Club San Antonio with a Aventador SVJ, obviously the Cars Please Huracan, and then I'm not sure who else will be showing up. We may have a couple other Huracan Spyders showing up. So it should be a good photo shoot. Stick around. I'm going to be doing some really good high quality video. Shooting with the FX3 Sony that I just got recently. So stick around for that. But we're headed on over to Island, the usual spot for shooting exotic supercars in San Antonio usually. And I think it's going to be a really, really good photo shoot. So we actually just met this Aventador SVJ owner at Cars and Coffee just recently. And he pulled up along with a couple other Huracan Spyders, and we've got them invited to the Lamborghini Club as well. So I'm hoping we have a decent turnout, and at the very least we'll have the SVJ with some really good video for that to show you, along with the Cars Please Huracan, of course, but we are hoping we get a couple more members to show up, so we'll have to see what happens. Of course, we're taking the little back way over to Ilon, avoiding the mess of 1604 as much as we can. Sometimes I like to put the car in strata, especially at stoplights when it's getting closer to other cars, because that sport mode likes to push you a little bit forward every time you downshift automatically. Gives you some extra pops and burbles, but at the expense of giving you a little bit less control and hopefully not getting hit by that Lexus. But we may give it a little gas under the underpass just to give you a little bit of a sound check. Let's not get hit by the pothole there. Because with the Spyder, the roofline here, it cuts off the stop lights perfectly, so you kind of have to duck your head a little bit. So I'm sorry if I'm not even able to show it right now. Ooh, nice Bentley. That's pretty. I love white Bentleys, but there's one that always goes to Ilon very frequently. And that's what we're here for. There's Joel. And there's another Lamborghini Club member. But it's about the most perfect day you could even ask for. It's not too hot, not completely cloudless, but we got the sun. Perfect convertible driving weather. Can't really ask for much more. And the beautiful Island Hotel and Spa. Perfect photo spot. We've got a couple throwing a frisbee out here too. We're gonna get set up a little bit just in case, because I'm not sure who's gonna be joining us. If we have 2 or 3 Huracans or more, we will see. Put our nose lift is already down, which is good, but we're going to go ahead and shut off the car for now. And hopefully Nick from Wrap Your Ride is gonna be able to join us. Of course, this spot here is kind of backlit, so using S-Log3 on the FX3 Sony right there, you see, to use some extra dynamic range of the camera. And of course we have the gold caffeine-free Diet Coke. I suppose in addition to first-person driving, we're going to be doing some first-person camera shooting as well. Handy dandy cup holder is perfect for caffeine-free Diet Coke. Oh, the booty door closed. We've got our FX3 all set up. We're gonna make sure that our polarizer is indeed getting rid of some of that glare on the windshield. Obviously we're quite exposed, so we're probably gonna turn up our aperture a little bit. Usually at 5 o'clock the sun's right there, right in the center. RS2, DJI RS2. A lot of my gear is DJI right now. Got our orange matching tripod, which is awesome. Well, close enough. May or may not be using that today for pictures. We've got the left and right extension arms. Kind of trying these out as well. Well, I hear somebody. Whatever it is, it sounds good. And there's Joel. Oh no, that's not Joel. I get confused. Yeah, actually, let's do that. Give a little space for Brian and the SVJ if possible. That's perfect.
DMC really liked the work.
They did. I saw that. We're still a little early, aren't we?
Are we gonna do donuts?
His car could. Yeah, somebody's doing donuts, but it's not been us. That's for sure. It's. Oh, especially this. I hear something. Yep, there he is. How's it going, man? We've got a spot for you right in the middle, so just back on right straight in. I'll guide you, okay? Yeah, right between them. Perfect. Well done. Here, I'm gonna move mine. How's it going, dude?
Hello.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. You got miles of room. Yeah, cut it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. We're going to have a lot more Lamborghini videos from Lamborghini Club San Antonio coming your way, so make sure you subscribe, hit the like, and I will see you in the next video.